Welcome to NewBQ.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, come one, come all, welcome to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. As you can tell, it is cold outside. I don't know if you can see my breath today. No, maybe not. I can't tell. Anyway, doesn't matter. It's super cold today. It was just snowing a little bit ago. It was kind of sleeting and icing a minute ago. But you know what? Today we're going to cook us a big old fat ribeye, as you've probably already seen. So anyway, we're going to go get this sucker seasoned up, and we're going to get it slapped on my new little bitty grill, the Weber Smokey Joe. Well, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's officially snowing and somewhat sleeting again. Oh well, coals are going. I got a good flame going in there now. We're gonna go ahead and get these coals dumped in the new Smokey Joe. Alright, so real quick, on your charcoals. I got quite a bit in here. I didn't really mean to put that much in here, but I want to move as much as I can to one side. One side, because I don't want this side to be cooking as hot. Woo, that's hot. Be careful, it's really hot. However, this needs to go down a little bit. Anyway, you want to move all these to this side as best you can, and then that way we're going to put our steak here, let it warm up a little bit before we sear it. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and then we'll put the steak on. Alright, coals are going good now. We're going to stick this sucker on. Alright, here we go. Just going to grab it real nice and gentle. We're going to set it right there, off to the side. You see my coals are on this side. So I set it right there. We're just going to let it cook for a few minutes. Now I want to get that up to temperature. What I mean by up to temperature, I want to get it up to around 100 degrees internal temp. It's going to be close. I don't know if I can quite get it that far before I want to go ahead and flip it over and sear it. So we're going to try. We'll see what happens. I've never done a steak this thick except for that tomahawk. I did a tomahawk steak once, and I like the tomahawk steak, but I know I didn't do it the way I should have, but whatever. Anyway, we're going to let it sit, let it try to get up to temperature, and we're going to sear it. Alright guys, so I've already rotated it once, flipped it over. Now I haven't seared it yet. I know it's getting a little dark there, but haven't seared it yet. I'm just trying to get the internal temperature up just a little bit, and then we'll sear it. Alright, here we go. We're gonna take it, we're just gonna slap it right on top. Oh, look at the fire down there. Alright, we're gonna sear that sucker. We're gonna let it go for about a minute, minute and a half, and then we're gonna flip it. Alright, flipping her over. First flip. Ooh, it got a little darker on that side. See, that's what I was worried about. Worried about getting it too dark on this one side here. That's okay though. Like I said, the new accessory for this is gonna change all that. Or at least I hope so. Oh, also, you can do this. We can cut it down a little bit. Try to put some of that flame out. Nope. Let's put it down just a second. Let's go ahead and let it go. Just a minute. That's what we'll do. Here. There we go. Change it a little bit. I don't want it to get burnt. Check our temperature. I'm not doing too bad. I think it's going to work out pretty good. I just want to set that right there. And we'll try it over here. Ooh-wee. I'm just trying to get that edge of that cooked. Woo! Perfect. Alright. Pulling her off right here. Look at this. Good. Awesome. Look at that. Looks pretty good. I mean, like I said, I gotta work on my lines and stuff, but today I'm just kind of looking at the internal and all that. So anyway, let's cut this sucker in half. Alright, here we go. Cut her in half. Oh, look at that. Woo, baby. Look at that. See, I still think I got a little more too cooked. I should have flipped it a little sooner, put it on the sear a little sooner, but that looks pretty good. Not gonna lie, that looks pretty good, guys. Alright guys, that is it for me this week. I'm gonna go eat this steak because it looks phenomenal. Like I said, hopefully, I don't know if it'll be the next video, but one of the next videos, I got a new thing coming for this. It's gonna change the game in steaks, so just be prepared. But until then, go ahead and go follow me on Instagram at NewBQ2020, Facebook NewBQ2020. We also have a community going now. You can post whatever you cook in there, so check that out. Other than that, we'll see you guys next time. The wind's picking up here. It's still snowing. You still see my breath. Still cold. So see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.